Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and today this is our part 22 of PySpark real-time scenario. Okay, so in this scenario what we will get to learn. So basically we will try to fetch the data from API, okay, in a JSON response, and try to make it, convert it to the data frame. Okay, so in industry level also, client used to give us the APIs endpoint, and hitting that API endpoint, we need to fetch the data, and we need to make it in a data frame, and then store it in a delta table or something, or any pocket format or any CSV format. We need to store it in Gen 2. Okay. So this scenario we'll see today. Okay, so let's go. mm, so before going ahead, I want to introduce our channel. This is our channel, Cognitive Coders. If you still haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos update and all the updates. Okay. For getting the notification whenever we are uploading the videos, because every week we are uploading two to three videos on PySpark, databricks, ADF. Okay, so, or or recently we will gonna start the fabric series also. Okay, so if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe our channel and stay with us. Okay, if you have any other doubts regarding the content, you can also comment on the video comment section. I will reply on that. Okay, any specific subject related content you required, you can comment on the comment section. I will get back to you, or I will create the video on that subjective content, and upload it. Okay, so basically we will have this endpoint. Okay, so it's a free endpoint. I got it from the normal, uh, one of the free website. Okay, this is a free API. Hitting this, I will get lots of data. Okay, so how to hit the API endpoint and how to get the data, that we'll see here. Okay, so for that, first of all, we need to import a request. Then we'll import what we'll import. So okay, first we will import request. Anything required, we will import it later. Okay, so what we'll do, first of all, we have the URL. Okay, so for hitting the URL, how to hit the URL. So basically, request request dot get. Okay, as it's a get call, we don't need to pass any kind of body or something else. Okay, so you just paste the URL. Okay, and store the response as in a response variable. Okay, okay, so next what we'll do, uh, okay, so if you gonna try this, what kind of result you will get. You'll get the result of 200. Okay, this response. Okay, if you do like this dot get response. Okay, sorry, not get response, it's a dot status code. Get the 200. Okay, so the same thing what we'll do here. So for any kind of error handling, we'll just do it. If it is status code is 200, then our it will execute. We'll convert it convert our response to JSON. Okay, So JSON, if I'll run this, there is some kind of syntax error. If response dot status code equals, okay, equals to, okay, okay, we are getting our data. So data is coming in a JSON format. Okay, so for converting this in from this JSON format to a data frame, we need to store it in a list, and then mm, then we can create the data frame calling the list object. Okay, so so here what we'll do, we are taking one list, then we are just doing l dot append, then this, okay. mm, so I'm doing one thing. We are just taking this out as data, okay, and putting it, okay. Then if the status code is not 200, then for handling that error, we are just you can use try except method also. I'm just using the if else, okay. uh, fail to fetch the data, uh, status code, something like that you can print. Okay, status code is uh, the same, the same thing. You can take it and you can put it here. Okay, so if it is not 200, then it will come to the else part and it will execute the code. Okay, once the it is done, and the response stored in the array, so now we can create our df. Okay, so first of all, let's try this. Okay, so everything is working fine. In L, it got stored. If I'll print the L, you will get to see the data. You can see. Okay, so the same thing now. uh, I will just make the data frame from here. It's a easy thing. Hmm. Create data frame L. Okay, only this you can pass. Okay, if you have the schema, then you can pass, or explicitly, if you have the explicitly defined schema, you can explicitly define and you can pass it. Otherwise you can keep it the same, because it will take the default schema. Okay, whatever it is in the key value pair. Okay, so now if you gonna print it, you'll get to see. Okay, count, gender, name, probability. Okay, if I'll print L, okay, so you will get to see. Okay, this count, all the keys are in column and values are in row. Okay, so these are the thing. So if I will pass any wrong URL, something like this, so then what it will give me. Okay, this is not a wrong URL. The name also the same. Okay, so other value it is giving me. Okay, so now if I will just uh, remove this and if I'll make it a wrong URL, then let's see. Yeah, it is giving me status code 422 cannot info schema. Okay, so this is the thing. You can try by yourself also in multiple ways, taking many demo URL from websites, and you can try it in your notebook. Okay, I hope you understood. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can comment on the video comment section. I will reply on that. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. uh, so mm, if you still have not visit our playlist, all the playlists are very much useful for you guys, so I would recommend you guys check all the videos. This will be helpful for your upcoming interviews, and if you are aspiring data engineer, this also will be very much useful for you guys. These all are industry level things we have discussed in these videos. Okay, this area real time scenario, PySparks. With this PySpark full playlist is there, 67 videos are there. Okay, so just check it. Okay, thank you for watching our video, and stay tuned for the next video. Okay, bye.